Hey, it's Bougie Butter. Okay, so for this closet purge, I'm just gonna be purging my sweaters. So let me show you my first little set of sweaters. And let me show you the other set. Whoa! My other set. And they're so heavy, of course, because they're sweaters. So yeah, my other set of sweaters. And I have so much more. I think I probably have 10 more that I need to get rid of that are in my drawers and all of that. So what I'm gonna do is do like a little mini fashion show. Yeah, a little mini fashion show. And I will be using just a base of some jeans or some black leggings and just show you like how I wear them, how I style them, and which ones I want to keep and which ones I don't want to keep. So stay tuned. All right, so this is a cream oversized sweater that I got from the thrift store. I'm pretty sure I got it from the men's section. I love it so much. It's so comfy and cozy and roomy. It's definitely a keeper. I also got this one from the thrift stores, from the men's section again, and I liked it at first. I really liked the color. It was a nice taupey brown, and the length and the size of it. It could have been a really cute oversized shirt, but I noticed it had holes in it, so I thought, hey, well, maybe I can do something with it. But I never did anything with it. So to the trash it goes. Oh yes, I really love this sweater. It's honestly one of my go-to sweaters. It makes me feel so cozy and warm. I love the long sleeves. I can roll it up, or I can keep it long and hide my face with it. Oh, look how cute. I love big, oversized sweaters. I love how they can be worn with jeans or worn as a sweater dress or worn with just basic leggings. I love the knit pattern on this sweater, and the color itself is so vibrant and beautiful. I got this sweater from H&M in the men's section, so I decided to turn it into a sweater dress. I wear this all the time with some chunky boots and some leggings or some knee highs. I love how the back of the sweater is longer than the front. Once again, I love the oversized feel. I love the long arms, long sleeves. I actually have naturally long arms, so having a sweater that's of longer arms is definitely a benefit for me. Peekaboo! I feel like Little Red Riding Hood in this sweater dress that I got from American Apparel. I just feel so comfy and cozy. I'm not really into like bright red colors, but this one is always a go-to fave. It's a nice chill sweater dress, and I love the pockets, and the lining on the inside is super warm. This sweater dress was given to me as a gift from Boohoo or Fashion Nova, one of them two sites, and I thought it was super cute. I really like the concept. I really like the style. I love the fuzziness of it. It just doesn't fit me properly. It's supposed to be elastic and stretchy, but it's a little too stretchy for me. But I also don't think this is my size, so there's not much I can really criticize about the dress. I think if I want to keep it, I'm going to have to tailor it to fit me, maybe even give it a couple pockets. But one thing I will say that is not great tailoring is the length of the arms. It's a lot shorter than it should be. But overall, I definitely see the vision. I really see the vision. Can you see the vision? Please tell me you see the vision. I'm just sad. Sad that I can't, wear it as is. But who knows? Maybe I can fix it up. This was given to me, and I think it came from H&M. It's pink. Pink is actually not really my favorite color to wear. I just felt like it's just super girly. I did like how it looked on me. I thought it was really cute. Like, the fit is decent. I don't really like the neck, but other than that, that's a cute, light-hearted sweater. I do like how the back hangs. I like how the back is longer than the front, which allows me to tuck it in if I need to. But those are the only things I kind of really like about it. It's just a basic sweater. This is another gift, a gift that I got from my brother. It is so warm. It's so fuzzy. It's so soft. It feels great. I don't know what I was singing there. I don't know what I was dancing to, but I was definitely getting it. Like, hey now. But I did like the feel of the sweater. Lighter pastel colors aren't really my favorite type of colors to wear. I was just about the color, but the style of the sweater is really nice. This is a sweater I got from H&M. I love it. It's a crop top. It's a little midi crop top sweater. Like, it's supposed to show off a little peekaboo of a stomach. I really like the color. I like the cut. I like the zipper in the back. I just like it. It's still fitted, but it still gives me a little bit of space. I like that. I definitely like that. And the arms fit perfectly. And the color is nice. This is a very boxy sweater. I love that it's boxy because I love all my sweaters to be a little roomy and spacious. I love that it can be an over-the-shoulder sweater, so I can wear it on its own or with an undershirt or a crop top, which is what I'm wearing now. I love giving a little shoulder action, so if my sweater can do that, then even better. This is a very nice sweater. I really like it. I just don't wear it. It's very vibrant. It's very bold. It's very warm. It fits nice. I just don't wear it. It's super cute. I feel like I should wear it more. I just don't know why I don't. I think by this point you should know what I like now, and this is something that I definitely like. It's so spacious, it's so comfortable and soft, and it's versatile. I can tie it up in a little knot, or at least try to, like I'm doing here, or loop it through my pants hook. I can wear it big and slouchy with some leggings, or I can tie it up, or I can tuck it in. Tying it up and putting it on a knot to the side, it creates a chic little look that switches up my outfit. I love the vibrancy of this orange. It's perfect for fall. Well, hey now. This is a turtleneck sweater I got from Shein. Now you should know that Shein is hit or miss, and you always gotta look at the reviews. But I guess I didn't on this one because, my goodness, the sweater just doesn't fit me. This was an extra small. I just can't get over that it just doesn't fit my stomach. It's giving crop top energy without the crop top length. So I decided, well, let me see if I can make it into a crop top. And I'm looking and I'm just kind of like, I don't know. I just feel like there's so much tailoring that I would have to do to make this fit me properly and well, that it's just not worth it. It's just not worth it. I might as well just throw it away. This is one of my favorite sweaters. This is one of my go-to sweaters. I love the color. Perfect for fall, perfect for the season. It's roomy, it's spacious, it's comfortable. It's just a great quality sweater. And this sweater I got from the thrift store. Amazing. Men's section, of course. My favorite, and I love the sleeves. It fits nice, it feels good, and I love the V-neck as well. Comfortable, cute, and cozy. That's how it should be. This wraps up the first portion. Please like and subscribe and turn on your notifications so you won't miss the second one. Bye, until next time.